Consider a sand casting of cube of edge length A. A cylindrical riser is placed at the top of the casting. Assume the solidification time Ts to be V by A, where V is the volume and A is the total surface area dissipating heat. If the top of the riser is insulated, which of the following radius or radii of the riser are acceptable? And 4 options are given. So if we go through the first line, that is sand casting is of cube shape. So let's say this is a cube of dimension A and a cylindrical riser is placed at the top. Let's say this is a cylindrical riser. And important point to mention here that the top of the surface of the cylinder is insulated. So this particular part is insulated. And it is given the solidification time Ts is directly proportional to volume by total surface area of heat dissipation. Now, what is this A? Through which the heat is dissipated. So if we consider this particular riser, now it is mentioned in the question that this particular area is insulated, so heat will not be dissipated through this top part. Lower part it cannot dissipate because it is connected to the casting. So the remaining area through which the heat will be dissipated is the curved surface area of this particular cylinder. Now, as per the Chvorinov's rule, volume by area of heat dissipation of riser should be greater than or equals to volume by surface area of heat dissipation of the casting. Now this particular condition has to be satisfied, is very important, then only we will get the required casting. For that this particular condition has to be satisfied. Now if we put the given data, so for riser is actually cylindrical in nature, so what would be the volume? So it is pi by 4 d square into h, which is volume of the cylinder, by, if we consider the effective heat dissipation area, it's only the curved surface area, it's nothing but pi by d into h, and that should be greater than equal to volume of the casting. It would be a cube because it's cubical in shape, and area would be, see, area, this particular area is actually a square, it has got 6 surface area, so it becomes 6a square. So if we simplify it, so here h and h will be cancelled, d and d would be cancelled, pi and pi would be cancelled. Here a cube is cancelled to a square, so the remaining would be d by 4 must be greater than equal to a by 6. Now as the options are given in terms of radii, so we'll convert this diameter to radii. So divided by 4 should be greater than equals to a by 6. So 2 and 3. So finally we get an expression that r should be greater than equals to a by 3. If we simplify it, it becomes 0.33a. It means our correct answer should be greater than or equals to 0.33a. If we cross check the options, the first option is a by 3, which is nothing but 0.33a. Second is equal to 0.5a. Third option is 0.25a, and third one is approximately 1.16a. So r should be greater than equal to 0.33a. So first option is satisfied because equals to 0.33a. Second is 0.5a, which is actually greater than 0.33a, hence this is also correct. 0.25 is less than that, so this will not be satisfied. Again, this is not satisfied. Hence the answer would be both a and b. Both a and b are correct.